Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of December's Boxycharm Boxyluxe box. But before we get on into this video, please make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. But other than that, I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So, a little side story here. I was honestly about to film a different video. I was going to do another chit chat, get ready with me, trying out new products. And then I heard my mother-in-law knock at my door and she said, "You have a package." And I was like, "A package?" And yeah, so my Boxycharm, or my Boxyluxe box arrived today, which was really weird because it's really early, because today is what? Today's the 10th, so that's really early for me to get my box. And the weird thing is, I didn't even get an email or anything saying, "Hey, your box is on its way." You know, usually they send you like a tracking number and everything you can keep track. I didn't get any of that. I just got my box. I was like, okay, I'm not mad about that, but it just was a surprise. So I was like, change of plan, I'm gonna film this today. Anyways, that's just a little side story there. Alright, so like I said, I haven't opened this box. I mean, I cut the tape and I was confused because the size is definitely weird this month. It's like really long. Usually it's just really wide, but today it's like really long, so I was confused. So I was like, what is this? Like, so I opened it and I looked at the card just to see how many items were in there, and it was obviously the Boxyluxe, so I haven't actually looked at the product. So this is the first impressions, which is rare because I am not patient and I will open up the box just to see what's in there because I can't wait. Alright, so here's the big card today, and the theme is bubbles and glitz. Glitz, yeah. It's a very gold looking card here. Ooh, it bent. I bent it. Looks like it's got gold flakes, maybe some champagne bottles like over here. It's kind of hard actually to see everything because it's like all gold. But it's cute, I guess. And then of course on the back is the products. If you hear noise in the background, my father-in-law is like, I think he's cutting wood or something outside, so you might hear that, but eh. Alright, so first thing I'm seeing in here is from Luxie, and it's in this bag. I'm assuming it's brushes because it looks like a brush case. Alright, so here's the bag. So it says Luxie, it says Luxie right there. It might be a little hard to see. It says Luxie on it, so I'm assuming this is a brush case, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it. And yes, very nice brush set too. So there are the brushes, very nice looking brushes. So it looks like you get about 8 brushes. Looks like you get a flat contour brush. I don't know if I'm going to take these out because I have a lot, I don't know. I have a lot of brushes that look like this. I don't know. I'll probably go ahead and use them. And if I don't, I can give some to family and friends, whichever ones I don't. Alright. So this one here is a tapered highlighting brush. I don't know if I've actually gotten an actual highlighter brush before, so that's pretty nice. Then this one here is a flat contour brush. So yeah, that'd be pretty good for contouring. I don't really contour, I'm more of a bronzer, not a contour, but someone might like that. And then this one here is a foundation brush, which I never use foundations brush, which I know you don't have to use it for what they say it is. I would think this would be more for like a concealer brush. I don't know. It seems too flat for foundation, I would think. I mean, I don't ever use brushes to put a foundation on, but I would think the better one would be something like this one. I would think this one would be better. I don't know, like a kabuki brush, like something to blend it. This just seems too small, and I don't know. I would say it's more like a concealer brush. And then for the eye brush, it seems like they have 3 face brushes and the rest are eye brushes. This one's a small angle brush. Oh, this is a concealer brush. That seems tiny for a concealer brush. I would think maybe for cutting crease this would be good for that one, but that seems really, really, really tiny for a concealer brush. Then this one's a large shader brush. So then we have a medium angled shader here. And then lastly, just a large tapered blending brushes, which are usually my favorite brushes to have. Alright, so the Luxie Glittering Gold Brush Set, that's what that's called. That retails for $85. I mean, Luxie brushes are nice, but man, I couldn't pay that much. Maybe I'm just too cheap. I don't know. That just seems like a lot. So next thing in here is from Sol... how do you pronounce this? Solgenaire, I think is how you pronounce it. And this is a Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter. So here's the box, or here's the packaging, and then I'm gonna open it. And this retails for $20. It's interesting packaging for like a lip balm. Looks really pretty. Oh, does it have, is it a lip scrub? Please don't let it be a lip scrub. I hope it's not. Like, I swatched it, but you really can't see it because it's just a lip tinted. I don't like the smell of it. I don't know, it smells weird. So I'm excited to have it. I really don't remember what I chose because I know I got to customize some of the products in here, but I really don't remember what I picked. I might have picked this one, but I really don't remember. So next up, they actually looks like they sent us some earrings, which is interesting. This is the first time I've gotten jewelry in a Luxie box. Which I don't mind getting jewelry, but some people might not like it because, you know, it is supposed to be like a makeup box. So, but these look really pretty. All right, so there they are. So they're really pretty. So these retail for $36. I've never heard of the brand. I mean, I'll put them on. Alright, so there they are on there. I think they're really pretty. I like them a lot. Alright, then I'm seeing some skincare products, and it looks like there's something from the Sunday Riley, and this is the all-in-one Litanic acid treatment. It's supposed to deeply exfoliates the dull surface of the skin for clarity, radiance, and younger looking skin. I feel like this thing is supposed to have a cap, but it doesn't. Anyways. So this is probably going to be super expensive because it's skincare. Yep, this is $85, guys. $85. I mean, this is a pretty good, decent size, but still. I don't even know what I'm doing with my fingers. I'm just like, ooh, no. There you go. Sorry. Anyways. Sunday Riley is not a new product that they have put in boxes. I've gotten several Sunday Riley products, and they're decent. So I mean, I've not gotten this one in particular, so I'm excited to try it out, or I'm looking forward to trying it out. Then we have another skincare product here from Avant. However you say that, and this is a moisturizer. I'm thinking. I don't know. Let me see here. So this, oh my gosh, no way. They say this retails for $123. And it's a moisturizer, $123. I'm pretty sure I've gotten this brand before. I don't remember if I've gotten this exact product, but it looks similar. I'm gonna have to go look through my stuff and see if I've gotten this product before. But that's ridiculous, $123. Alright, Boxycharm. And this is not even that big of a tube. What else? Alright, so next up is something from Raza. It's a nice looking bottle. Alright, so this is a Love Me Leave-In. What is it? It's a leave-in conditioner. That's a really nice looking packaging. I actually really like that. I don't know, just really cool looking. Alright, so this retails for $22. I like leave-in conditioners. I prefer them than, I don't really like the ones that you have to put in your hair and leave it in for like 20 minutes and then wash it off. I'm not a big fan of that. So I like leave-in ones. Alright, and the next thing I see is from HipDot. I got one of their palettes before and actually really liked it, so I'm excited to see another palette in here. Sorry, I'm busy chatting. I really like that packaging. So this Hip Dot palette retails for $30. I really like the look of the packaging. And then the palette has the same design on it as the box. Ooh. I mean, to be completely honest, well, I don't know, it has some neutral shades. I don't know. This is very interesting looking. I wouldn't say it's really one that I would love, but you know, it just has some neutral colors over here, and I don't know. I'll give it a try. I do really like, or at least the one other palette that I got from Hip Dot, I really did like their formula, so I'm excited to try this one out. Just saying, it's just not my, I don't know, they're not really my colors, but you never know, I may like them. Alright, and then last product in here is from Iconic London, and that is this. So it's this Blaze Chaser palette, face palette by Iconic London. So there it is. Looks like it's got some bronzer, some blush, and some highlighters. There's a couple of swatches right there. Alrighty, and this retails for $55. Dang. That seems like a lot, but Iconic London is more of the pricier brand, or one of the more pricier brands. Alright, so that's everything in the box, and I'm just going to go ahead and tally everything up to see what the overall value of the box is, and then after that I will just kind of give you my final thoughts on everything. Holy macaroni. Alright, so it's the overall value of my box is $456. That seems like a lot this much. I did pay, what is it, $50? I did pay $50 for that box, so I definitely got my money's worth. Like the value-wise, the value is way over what I paid, which is really good. But, alright, so let's go through everything. So, I think this is a nice product to get. I like Iconic London. I've not tried any of their face palettes. No, I take that back. I have tried one of their face palettes, and I liked it. So I'm excited to get this, and I'm looking forward to trying it out. I feel like it's a bit overpriced, $55 for this. That seems really expensive in my opinion, but you know your girl's cheap, so that's just a personal opinion. Alright, then we have the Sunday Rally skin, which I do really like getting skincare in boxes. I mean, it saves me from having to buy skincare. I've not had to buy skincare in a really long time because of subscription boxes. Yeah, so I mean, I like getting this. I didn't have to pay for this, you know, the value of it straight out. But they do say that this is $85. I feel like that's really overpriced, but again, that's just a personal thought. I'm actually really excited about this palette. Like I said, this is not really my color story, but at the same time, this is kind of getting me out of my comfort zone, which is, you know, good. And like I said, I've received one other Hip Dot palette before, and I was impressed with the formula, so I'm really excited to try out another one of their palettes to kind of see if that consistency is really there. But $30 for this, I don't think that's a bad price. This seems like a pretty nice looking palette, and you know, it's a pretty good size one as well. Alright, then for the brush set. I like getting brush sets, but at the same time, I feel like these are way overpriced, $85. I mean, Luxie brushes are nice, but these don't feel like, I don't know, like the greatest quality in the world. I mean, they feel a little bit on the light side. The handles feel a little cheap. I'm probably being overcritical. These are nice brushes. I just don't think they're worth $85, to be completely honest. I mean, the packaging is just, you know, the brushes aren't like super glamorous looking. Maybe if they had been like more shiny or glittery or something, I could see why they'd be like that. But, you know, this just seems like they're normal brushes, and they just jack the price up because they're gold. But, you know, it is really nice to get brushes in your box and you don't have to go and buy brushes. I actually really like the earrings. I think that's an interesting thing to add into the box. I wouldn't mind getting earrings every now and then, as long as this doesn't become like a new thing where they're gonna start adding more jewelry and not as much makeup, because this is supposed to be a makeup or a beauty subscription box, and jewelry is kind of like I wouldn't really consider that beauty related, be more like accessories, but that's just a personal opinion. But like I said, I wouldn't mind getting these every now and then, like just a cute pair of earrings, because I think these are actually really cute, so I really like these. And then this product, which, give me a second, I'm gonna go see if I actually have this product already. Alright, so I went and looked through my stash, and I do have one of these products, but it's not the exact same one. They look identical, and that's why I was like, did I already get this? Alright, so this is the one that was in my box this time, and then this is the one that I got last time. So this is actually a sleeping mask, and then the one that I just got is just a moisturizer. So they are two different products, they just look very similar. But I think the price on this is ridiculous. I do not think this is worth $123. And if I remember correctly, this one was priced around the same amount, and this is just ridiculous. Look how small these are. Like, no. No way in heck would anybody pay that much for this. So I feel like this is just a toss-in item to just get the price value of the box way up by throwing in something like this. I don't know. That's just my personal thoughts. And then the last two are just the balm, or what is it? It's a lip butter, tinted lip butter from, you know, the Sol de Nairs. I'm interested to try this out. I mean, I've heard that their products are pretty good. I've gotten several of their lotions, not like full-size ones, but, you know, like deluxe sizes or whatever they call them, and I do like them. And then I've never heard of this brand, so I like getting leave-in conditioners. So overall, I feel like this box is really good, and I got my money's worth for sure. But I'd say this is one of their better Luxe boxes than some of the past ones. Some of the past ones were not that great, but I feel like this one was pretty good. I mean, I got a brush set, got some skincare, got 2 palettes, 1 face palette, 1 makeup palette, got really cute earrings, and then some odds and ends, like being the conditioner and the lip butter. So overall, I feel like this box was really good in this season, because this is a seasonal box. I don't know if you guys know, but this Boxyluxe is an every 3 months thing, kind of like FabFitFun. It's kind of seasonal. So this one is the priciest out of them all the boxes. So yeah, so it only comes every 3 months. But I feel like this one was, like I said, definitely one of the better ones out of the past Luxie boxes. Some of them are pretty disappointing, but this one I feel I'm pretty happy with. But yeah, that is going to do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing these types of videos. And also let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of the Boxyluxe box this month, and if you got Boxyluxe, what did you think of your guys' boxes? But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!